So I had several conversations today. One with a new friend. I just did a live in our private group about making decisions, and I thought I'm hopping on here too and saying some things about it. We aren't taught how to make decisions. I wasn't, at least. If you were taught how to make good decisions, can you let me know? Because, man, high five to your parents, right? In your school, whatever. It's not something I was ever taught. So now, my husband says, where do you want to go to dinner? And I'm like, I don't care. I don't know. What are you in the mood for? I don't know. Like, seriously? I have opinions. I think most of the time I'm afraid that I'm going to make the wrong decision or hurt someone's feelings, or what if they don't like it? Whatever. Just, right? That's like simple things that I'm sorry. All right, I'm rambling already. Sherry Underwood here, coming at you. I hope you're having a blessed day. And I just want to say that if you're having trouble making decisions, it's not your fault. You weren't taught how, right? But I really want you to start working on it. And if you want help, we have an awesome mindset group that you can hashtag group. I put that up top. That we are really focusing on this, and a lot of you are in there, and I'm so excited, and I'm so blessed that you're part of it, because collectively we grow, right? And I just want to caution you on a few things, that if you don't make a decision with clear intent and 100% confidence that, hey girl, that you're wavering still, right? I hate when that happens. So you don't want to waver in your decisions. And some of the things that you have to work on is your thoughts and your words that you're speaking and your actions, right? So you have to work on those things. You have to be so confident and so true to yourself, and just that any decision you make is the right one. Like, I made a huge decision for my business this week, and I am so excited about it. It's like this weight is lifted. I did it with total 100% confidence. I know how it's going to turn out, because prayer and meditation and all of those things coming together is just has me completely at ease. So I want to know if you're a good decision maker, thumbs up. If you waver, how about this, right? Give me one of those. And if you would like to be part of our collective and learn more about, like, we are going to be digging deep in manifesting all the awesomeness that can be yours. So I wanted to leave you with that. Please, thoughts, words, and actions are what you're going to have to focus on and get very clear and very grateful and very thankful for everything. Even if something negative happens, man, you got to turn it into a positive, right? And you will find yourself in a place of confidence where you're going to be able to make awesome decisions. So that's my thought for the day. I hope it was helpful. Good seeing you guys. And blessings to everyone. If I don't see you tomorrow, I hope you have a blessed weekend. I always say Friday's my favorite day, so we're almost there. All right, have a great one, guys.